Okay, hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use our article generation tool. And there are three simple steps that you have to follow. At first, we have to give it an outline because our AI works best with an outline. So let's say we want a blog article about AI-powered content marketing. So we're getting 5 results out of here. So let's choose whatever we want. We put it in. Right, and now we have our outline ready. Now it is very important to give it a document title. So let's say I want to give it the same one as I did it for the outline, but it is not necessary to do so. AI powered content marketing, right? So it gives our AI a hint about what the blog post should be about, and we should also include an article brief, like a short summary of an article. So let's say whatever we want. Content marketing is about to become a center of the universe. All right. So the first thing we have to do is to press enter after the outline section that we want to generate text within, right? So say now we're starting off with an introduction. Yep, and here is our introduction. We see it's not finished. We can keep pressing. Right, I'm not going to dive into the details of what our machine has generated, right? But we see that now the idea basically is ended, right? So here are some things you should know if you want to start using AI-powered content marketing, and so on and so on. So let's dive into this second section of the outline, and the procedure is basically the same. Whenever you want to generate text within a certain outline section, you just press enter after this one, and then it gives you some really good text that is ready to being published, although you have to review it for yourself, of course, but this is the basic procedure. Today I'm going to show you how to use the new feature, the beast mode on texta.ai. So at first we gotta come up with a style that we want to write in. Obviously we are going to develop this side of the product, so we are constantly processing your requests, and depending on that we'll be delivering new styles which you would like. So you can do this by suggesting style here, but now we are going to show you how the beast mode works. So let's say we want a business style. So let's say the article title I would like is AI powered marketing content generation. All right, and let's say AI is gradually taking over the field of content marketing. All right, why not? And let's just go on with the default NLP AI marketing. Okay, so these are the features you have seen before. These are the features that we have developed for the article generation tools, and I'm good. I'm good with an outline. So let's see where this leads us. Okay. So as you can see, as usual, we have developed a full-fledged blog article for you, written in a business style. Yep, and what we would like to show you here is the feature that we have developed. Say you would like to expand a bit more on this section of a paragraph, on this section of an outline, on this paragraph, right? So what you're gonna do is to click Write for Me. We do that, and our AI generates a text, continuous text for you, depending on the context you gave it. All right, so say we wanna expand a bit on this section, and we can keep pressing. If you didn't like it, you can always come back. If you liked it, you can leave it. Say we want to develop this one, we just press the button, and sometimes no generation comes up, so we do not take any credits for that because that's an AI. The nature of this generation is probabilistic. That's why things like that can happen. And let's see if we try to work it on another outline section. say I didn't like the previous one, I'm just going to keep generating stuff like that. All right. And let's just press it here. So, yep. So this is what we try to deliver with this tool. We would like you to have an ability to generate content continuously, to rewrite content, to develop it, to overcome the writer's block. I believe we did find success with that. So today I'm going to show you how to use the product description tool at texta.ai. At first, you should open the social ads tab. And here you can see the first tool is the product description, simple as that. And first you should enter a brief description of your product. So in my case, this is AI powered marketing content generation. And since I have a brand name, I'll be using texta.ai. However, this field is optional as well as the target audience. But this will just help our AI to generate more suitable product description for you with showing your name, with showing the name of your company within it. So now we have to wait just a bit. And here we see the product descriptions that that our AI has generated, and technically everything applies for the other tools. Everything is the same. You just have to enter the brief product description in your own words, something short, and maybe the name of your product and the target audience. However, the last two fields are optional. So now let's see how our AI will perform on the task of generating a Facebook listicle. Yep. So here it is. This is the format of Facebook listicle. It is very original and really like it. So feel free to use any of our tools at texta.ai, and see you soon.
Thanks for watching. Check product link in video description.